Hey everybody, Will here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to remove and replace the taillight bulbs in a 2006 Toyota Camry. Procedures will be similar for most Camry models from 2006 to 2011, but be sure to know the specifics for your vehicle before getting started. Once you've got your supplies together, here's what you'll do. Open the trunk. Locate the hinged panel behind the taillight assembly and open it. The top bulb is your taillight bulb and the bottom bulb is the turn signal bulb. Turn the socket of the taillight bulb counterclockwise to remove it from the back of the assembly. Remove the taillight bulb itself by pulling it directly out of the socket. Press your new bulb into the socket until it is fully seated. Make sure you're wearing gloves. Finger oils can cause hot spots on the glass that can cause the bulb to burn out prematurely. Secure the bulb and socket in the back of the assembly by turning it clockwise so that it locks into place. Turn on your lights to make sure the new bulb is working. If it works, close the panel on that side. Taillight bulbs should always be changed in pairs since they're likely the same age and have been used for the same amount of time. So repeat these steps on the other side. Close the trunk. And that's it. You'll find everything you need for this and other jobs at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. If you're not completely comfortable doing this yourself, we'd be happy to recommend a professional technician in your area. And be sure to subscribe so you'll see all of our new video content. We'll see you again soon.